my beautiful English learners. This is Alia Mehar, and I am so happy, so proud, and so honored to welcome you to day 8 of our 15-day English speaking challenge. Take a deep breath with me. Inhale and exhale. Now smile. Yes, really smile. Because today you are here again. You showed up. You pressed play. You chose learning over excuses. That simple choice makes you different from millions of people who keep saying, "Tomorrow I will start." But you didn't wait for tomorrow. You are learning today, right now. That is your power. Now, let me tell you something important. Sometimes learners ask me, "Alia, I feel shy when I speak. I feel like my English is too slow and people will laugh." Do you know what I say? I say, slow English is beautiful. Slow English is powerful. Think about it. When you speak slowly, you give yourself time to think. You give the listener time to understand. You speak with calmness, with confidence, with clarity. That is not weakness, that is strength. So today, don't be afraid to speak slowly. Don't rush. Don't try to sound like anyone else. Your voice, your speed, your style, it is enough. It is beautiful. And today's topic is something we all use every single day: transportation. Yes, transportation is not just about cars, buses, trains, or planes. It is about your journey in life, and your journey in English. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever missed a bus or train? Maybe you were standing there watching it leave, and you felt upset because you missed your chance. Life can sometimes feel like that, right? We think we missed our chance. But let me remind you, you have not missed your bus in English. You are on the bus right now. Every day you come here, every sentence you practice, every word you repeat, you are moving forward. You are on the road to fluency. And here's something beautiful. Just like transportation connects one city to another, English connects you to the whole world. With English, you can connect to people from every country, every culture. English is your vehicle, your airplane, your ship that can take you anywhere. So today, I will give you 30 simple sentences about transportation. These are at A1 and A2 level, so don't worry. They are easy, clear, and perfect for practice. But remember, simple does not mean weak. Simple sentences are powerful. They are the foundation. They are like the wheels of a car. Without them, the car cannot move. And the way we practice is very special. You will shadow me. I will say each sentence twice. Sometimes, before the second time, I will tell you, repeat. That's your signal. That's when you open your mouth, speak with me, and let your voice become stronger. Don't just listen. Don't just watch. Speak. Because speaking is where the magic happens. Now, before we jump into the sentences, let's prepare our hearts with some affirmations. I want you to not just listen, but say them out loud with me. Are you ready? Sentence 1. I am learning English step by step. Sentence 2. I am not afraid of mistakes. Sentence 3. My English is improving every single day. Sentence 4. I believe in myself. Sentence 5. I am becoming fluent in English. Beautiful. Can you feel that? That is the energy of change. That is the energy of growth. That is the energy that makes you unstoppable. Now, let me ask you something. Why are you here? Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to study abroad. Maybe you want to make international friends. Or maybe you just want to feel free when you travel. Whatever your reason is, remember it. Hold it in your heart while you practice today. Because every time you repeat after me, you are not just practicing English, you are walking toward your dream. So, my dear English learners, stay with me. Stay till the very end of this video. Don't skip, don't pause, because every minute of practice is a brick in your foundation. And by the end of today's session, you will not only know transportation sentences, you will feel stronger, more confident, and more proud of yourself. And at the end, I will give you a special homework and a chance to write in the comments so we can all learn together as a family. Because remember, you are not alone on this journey. We are together. I am with you. Thousands of learners around the world are with you. And step by step, we are all moving forward. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and get ready. Let's begin Day 8, Transportation Sentences. Sentence 1. I take the bus to school. Repeat. I take the bus to school. Sentence 2. I go to work by car. Repeat. I go to work by car. Sentence 3. I walk to the market. Repeat. I walk to the market. Sentence 4. I ride my bicycle every morning. Repeat. I ride my bicycle every morning. Sentence 5. The train is very fast. Repeat. The train is very fast. Well done! Keep going, English learners. Sentence 6. I wait for the bus at the stop. Repeat. I wait for the bus at the stop. Sentence 7. I buy a ticket for the train. Repeat. I buy a ticket for the train. Sentence 8. The taxi is expensive. Repeat. The taxi is expensive. Sentence 9. I travel by airplane once a year. Repeat. I travel by airplane once a year. Sentence 10. The subway is crowded. Repeat. The subway is crowded. Excellent! You are speaking beautifully. Sentence 11. I cross the street carefully. Repeat. I cross the street carefully. Sentence 12. The bus is late today. Repeat. The bus is late today. Sentence 13. I sit near the window on the train. Repeat. I sit near the window on the train. Sentence 14. I use a map to find my way. Repeat. I use a map to find my way. Sentence 15. I share a ride with my friend. Repeat. I share a ride with my friend. English learners, stop for just one moment and think. You have already spoken 15 full English sentences about transportation. Isn't that amazing? Do you feel how your tongue is moving more easily? Do you feel how your brain is connecting words faster? That is progress. And progress is power. Let me tell you something. Fluency is not magic. It is practice. Right now, with every sentence you repeat, you are training your mouth, your ears, and your confidence. And guess what? Most people only dream of learning English, but you are doing it. Right here, right now. So tell yourself out loud, I am consistent. I can speak English. I am getting better every day. Beautiful. Now let's keep going with the next 15 sentences. You're doing fantastic. Sentence 16. The airport is very big. Repeat. The airport is very big. Sentence 17. I carry my bag on the bus. Repeat. I carry my bag on the bus. Sentence 18. The driver is very kind. Repeat. The driver is very kind. Sentence 19. I wait in line for a ticket. Repeat. I wait in line for a ticket. Sentence 20. The boat moves on the river. Repeat. The boat moves on the river. Wonderful job. Keep smiling and practicing. Sentence 21. I use a helmet when I ride my bike. Repeat. I use a helmet when I ride my bike. Sentence 22. The train arrives on time. Repeat. The train arrives on time. Sentence 23. I travel by bus every weekend. Repeat. I travel by bus every weekend. Sentence 24. The airplane flies very high. Repeat. The airplane flies very high. Sentence 25. The taxi takes me home. Repeat. The taxi takes me home. Amazing effort. Your English is growing stronger. Sentence 26. I walk across the bridge. Repeat. I walk across the bridge. Sentence 27. The bus stop is near my house. Repeat. The bus stop is near my house. Sentence 28. I buy a bus pass for 1 month. Repeat. I buy a bus pass for 1 month. Sentence 29. The train station is very busy. Repeat. The train station is very busy. Sentence 30. I enjoy traveling by bicycle. Repeat. I enjoy traveling by bicycle. Bravo, my amazing English learners! You just completed day 8 of our 15-day speaking challenge. You practiced 30 sentences about transportation. Now you can confidently talk about buses, trains, cars, and airplanes in English. But remember, these are not just sentences. These are building blocks of your fluency. Every time you repeat them, you are not just learning words, you are creating a stronger version of yourself. Now here's your easy homework for today. In the comments, just write one simple sentence. I go to school by bus. I go to work by car. I like traveling by train. Choose your own way of transport. Keep it short and simple. This way, you are not only practicing your writing, you are also joining our family of learners. And when you write, other learners will see your comment and feel inspired too. Together, we grow. Now, before we end, let me remind you. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss day 9 tomorrow. And most importantly, watch this video again. Repetition is your best teacher. The more you shadow these sentences, the faster your English will become natural. My dear learners, I want you to close your eyes for just a second and imagine yourself after 15 days. Imagine speaking English with confidence. Imagine traveling to another country and asking for directions easily. Imagine making friends from around the world without fear. That is the future you are building. One sentence at a time. Say it with me one last time, louder and prouder than before. I am learning. I am improving. I am succeeding. Yes, that is your truth. That is your power. That is your journey. I can't wait to see you tomorrow for day 9. Until then, keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Because you are not just English learners, you are dreamers, achievers, and future fluent speakers.